Do you ever feel like there's nothing in your closet that you want to wear? Do you ever want to stay home and just not get dressed at all? And that everything you try on just doesn't seem to look right? If any of these sound like you, I've got a really quick list right here that I want to run you through that you can do every morning to make sure you look your best. What's up guys, my name is Marcel, welcome to my YouTube channel, and without wasting any further time, the first thing on the list is the occasion and the weather. So the external conditions you'll find yourself in. You don't want to be overdressed or underdressed, nor dressed too hot or too cold. That's the first step you need to keep in mind. Second up, they say fit is king, and honestly I agree. Make sure that your clothes are fitting properly. Make sure that you size correctly, so try a few different sizes in the store. And second, find a great tailor. Third up, how you wear colors and patterns, especially louder colors and louder patterns, is really important. So if you want to rock a piece that's a statement piece, make sure to tone it down. If you want to learn more about how I manage color and color in general, check out this video I did about a year ago. Number 4, I think a lot of people forget about this one, is contrast. So not only is it about the color, but it's also about the lightness or the darkness of the pieces that you're wearing. Easiest example, an all-white base with an all-black top will cut the look entirely in half, and that's not something you want, so make sure to manage contrast. Next up, we've got fabrics. Fabrics go back to weather. If it's cold out, you want to be wearing wool. If it's hot out, you want to be wearing something light and breathable. Definitely something you need to keep in mind to feel right. And secondly, how are you combining those things? Make sure that they're not clashing, make sure that they're different enough. A whole corduroy look, for example, probably not the best option. Then we've got point number 6, layering, my personal favorite. Layering is not only for the fall and winter months, it's a year-round thing. You can show that you know how to match colors, patterns, and different fabrics. It makes your look more dynamic, and it makes your look more complex. Last but not least, they say that the outfit makes the man, but the accessories make the outfit. So your outfit is not complete unless you have considered what accessories to add. Sometimes the answer may be no, but most of the times it will be yes. So make sure that you find the appropriate accessories for the occasion, for the weather, and for the outfit that you created. To give you guys a little bit inspiration on how to use this list, here's a few examples for you guys, starting with what I did when it was raining. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video with these styling tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments and thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll make sure to check them out. Thank you one more time. I'll see you very soon with the next video. Until then, stay dapper. Bye guys.